2027 Ram 1500 Direct Connection by Roush, cool name. Questionable price tag if you grew up wrenching on Mopars in the 70s and 80s. The name Direct Connection probably gives you a warm, fuzzy feeling. It was Chrysler's way of hooking up performance-obsessed builders with parts, manuals, and tech support straight from the factory. Stellantis brought the name back in 2022 for SRT performance parts, and now it's slapped onto a turnkey off-road package for the 2027 Ram 1500 built in partnership with Roush. Sounds exciting, right? Well, hold that excitement for just a second. The Direct Connection by Roush package is based on the Ram 1500 Bighorn Crew Cab 4x4, a solid, mainstream mid-grade truck, not a top-spec beast. To get the package, you'll need to tick some boxes. First, the Hemi V8, the 3.9 to 2.1 locking rear axle, level-to-equipment group, and the surround camera system, plus whatever those options drag along with them. Before Roush touches anything, you're already looking at just under $63,000, then the package adds another $15,995 on top. Final tally, nearly $79,000. Yeah, here's the thing about Roush, their whole identity is the Supercharger. Their F-150 OSC and Nightmare trucks pump out 650 horsepower and are genuinely quick in a straight line. So, when you see the Roush name on this Ram, naturally you'd expect some of that firepower. Except, there's no supercharger here. Not even close. The only engine-related upgrade is an active catback exhaust that lets you adjust how loud the truck sounds. No power figures are claimed, no acceleration improvements are promised. It just sounds angrier. That's it. The real upgrades are in the suspension department. Roush installs their 2.0 coilover suspension system with custom-tuned twin-tube hydraulic dampers, supposedly improving off-road performance while keeping the truck planted on regular roads. Sounds decent on paper, but here's the catch. Ram's own Rebel already runs Bilstein monotube shocks, which are generally considered a step above twin-tube setups. So, whether this is actually an upgrade over the Rebel's suspension is genuinely debatable, and there's no mention of improved ground clearance, better approach or departure angles, or any concrete off-road measurement improvements. The tires swapped to 33-inch General Grabber AUT X all-terrains on 18-inch wheels, which are fine. Though whether they're better than the Rebel's Goodyear Wrangler Duratrax is anyone's guess. Where Roush really went to town is the appearance package. You get an aggressive Ram Sport Performance hood with beefier vent appliques and Hemi Direct Connection badges, exaggerated fender flares with clearance lighting, a custom grille with red Ram lettering, body color bumpers with red tow hooks, side rocker graphics, an American flag on the bed, Roush center caps with black lug nuts, a tailgate graphic, and branded black exhaust tips. Inside, the standard cloth seats get swapped for Mopar leather, and Roush branding shows up on the floor mats, center console, and glove box. Lots of logos. Lots and lots of logos. Let's be real, almost certainly not. A Ram 1500 Rebel with similar equipment runs about $70,035, and it comes with those better Bilstein shocks from the factory. Want something even more capable? The Ram 1500 RHO, which is a proper performance off-road truck with massive fender flares and serious hardware, starts at $76,590. That's legitimately more truck for less money. The Direct Connection by Roush package charges you a $16,000 premium for some suspension work of questionable superiority, cosmetic upgrades, a louder exhaust, and a whole lot of branding. The Roush name means something when there's a supercharger under the hood. Without one, you're basically paying for aesthetics and nostalgia. Cool concept, genuinely fun to look at, but at this price point it's a very tough sell against what Ram already offers in their own lineup.